channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Don't forget to share it. Thank you. Today, I want to talk about Class Monitor Learning Kit, an activity-based home learning kit. Yes, this is nursery learning kit. This kit is designed for age group of 2.5 to 3.5. Definitely, this kit keeps our child busy at home because it has a very attractive and colorful flashcards, games, worksheets, drawing, and so many activities. This kit covers all the syllabus. It has a wide range of syllabus like letters, numbers, colors, birds, animals, and everything whatever we want to teach our kids. And without teaching experience, we can teach our kid with the help of Class Monitor app. Yes, let us go through this box.